episode to show y'all what we got for the Camaro today that we're working on. So we went on and ordered the white LED side markers. So we gonna be taking the red and the yellow ones off, and we gonna put these on. So we went on and ordered a box of them. We got 4 of them, just came in. So this is what we gonna be doing today. We finna go and get these things installed, and they gonna be looking good by tonight. Believe that. So we gonna go ahead and replace these red ones with the clear ones, and we gonna replace the yellow ones with the clear ones. So this is what we working on today. So yeah, any minute now. So this what you need, bro. You just need a butter knife, something flat like this, and just stick it off in there. It's like some of the clamps that's going along on here. It should be like this on the 6-gen Camaro too. But see how they pop out? See that little slot right there? It's just a whole bunch of clamps in here that pop out. You just do it like that, and just keep going along here, and you'll be able to see how it is like that. You'll be able to just pop it right on out. So we got this out. You gonna slide this out like this, and that's it right there. So next we go unplug it. All right, y'all, so we got the old one out and we got the new one right here. So we going out with the old and with the new. So we gonna put the new one in and we go hook it up. So then we gonna put this inside the socket right here. And voila, let there be light. So just like that. So now we gonna go ahead and slide that thing back in. So just like that. Put the clip back in. So now you want to be careful when you pull that screwdriver out. You don't want to scratch your paint up. So you just gently pull that screwdriver out. Like I told y'all, you see these right here? It's 2 clamps on the other side of this bumper. So you go pop it just like that, and voila. And now we're gonna go and pull the plastic off. Voila. Thank you. Alright, so for this side right here, so like I explained to y'all, man, what you want to do is get you a butter knife. Get on up and up. Be careful not to scratch your paint. You go easy. Go pop that thing out like that. Just like that. Real easy. Grab it, pull it. Get on up in there like that. Get you a screwdriver. Catch that little slack right there. Pull it out some more. Drop it on in there. Same thing, you want to pop this. So just like that. So this piece here is gonna come on out. Stick it through. It's a little clip on the inside of there that you want to get. You gotta push back to get that, release that clip. See, sometimes it be a little difficult. You just gotta slide the knife, put a little force on it, so it's coming loose, and voila. And you go slide it out like that. All right, you stop it. All right, so you go disconnect it. Voila, so this the old one right here. Out with the old, in with the new. So the key thing is you want to pull the bulb out, because this right here is gonna slide in here with the bulb at. So the bulb gonna be hot. So, and you see that? You gonna slide this inside there. Get that thing up in there where the bulb came out at. And voila, let there be light. Just like that. Just like I showed y'all before. The same way it came out. Also, you wanna make sure you do this right here. Put it back in here. You wanna put it back inside this. Hold on. There we go. And turn it. Alrighty. And voila. Alright, so for this one right here, what you want to do is, it's a screw up under there. So you hit that screw right here from the inside. You pull this down like this. So here go the screw right here. You just get it from the inside right there. So we're gonna pull this down, put a screwdriver in, and this should pop. It's gonna pop right on out just like that. So we're gonna pop it out right there. So now, like we say, out with the old, in with the new. So same thing as we did in the back. We're gonna twist this. And there we go right there. So you're gonna pull the bulb out. Oh, that's hot. Once you pull the bulb out, you'll put the new one inside like that. And voila, let there be light. Then you're gonna put this piece back inside here. Boom, like that. Perfect. Side this out. And boom. So just like on the other side, we go get you a butter knife, slide that thing in there. Just gonna pop right on now. Stick this in there to hit that release clamp. Or it'll be better with a screwdriver. Release the clip, and voila, it slides right on out. So here's the new one. Out with the old, in with the new. So, same as the others. We'll twist that. You're gonna pull the bulb out. The bulb is real hot.
That right here.
Ooh, shit.
I did it with my shoe.
So, we go plug it in like that.
But not with my foot. Only with my shoe. Only with my shoe.
Voila. Let there be lights.
Gosh! slide out of the feet. No, wait. Look inside.
The hard part be trying to get this to go back inside like that.
See, it's trying to go in 100 feet dirt.
There we go. Get it in, twist it. Voila, when you hit that little snap, it's in there. So now you will put the screw back inside the hole. It'll go back in the hole like that. And there we have it. And pull that thing off right there. Voila. All right, y'all, so we got them on now. So we got that one on. We got this one on. We got that one. So we got this one. And last but not least, big LSX. We got this one right here. So yup, we got everything. We got them on. Looking real good. So this what they look like when they off. See, they black. That's the front right there. See, they black. So yeah, that's just how they look. So yeah, that's how they look, man. So this is what they look like, y'all. So this is what they look like at night. So y'all see we got the LED tag lights as well. We put the tag lights in. We got the trunk light. So we put the light in the trunk. So yeah, that's what they look like. We put the light on the inside. So yeah, we got the light. It's real bright on the inside of the car. So yeah, this is what they look like. Yeah, they came out nice. They came out real nice. And that's that.